CVTV News. I'm David Kerr. My co-host Deedra Haven is on assignment, but she will be back next week. CVT News is brought to you by Germanna Community College, and beginning May 20th through August, Germanna service hours will be Monday through Thursday, 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Friday, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. The advice from the Germanna Community College leadership and from us here at CVTV is to enroll now for fall classes. Well, there's a little bit of news about the Rappahannock Area Health Department and restaurants, but you'd be surprised at all the things that the Rappahannock Area Health District provides. They provide environmental and public health services to residents in the city of Fredericksburg and Caroline, King George, Spotsylvania, and Stafford. Their services include dental care, HIV/AIDS care, low or no cost immunizations, and epidemiology for diseases in the district. Their website notes that the environmental health staff includes 14 environmental health specialist positions, 2 supervisors, 1 manager, and 5 administrative support staff in 6 offices. It's a very comprehensive operation. The environmental health staff regularly inspects, get this, in excess of 1,000 permitted food establishments such as restaurants, schools, daycare facilities, hospitals, nursing homes, and mobile food trucks. Just about anybody who serves food. More than 400 temporary food vendors are inspected and permitted annually. Approximately 93 tourist establishments, such as hotels, motels, bed and breakfast, are also inspected. And about 22 camps and summer camps, which are inspected annually as well. About 86 swimming pools are included in that too, as well as 42 marinas. In efforts to keep the area population of about 350,000 potential consumers at restaurants safe from foodborne illnesses, Rappahannock Area Food District, or Health Department as people call it, inspect food preparation and storage facilities in the Fredericksburg area. The Department of Health's website notes that on occasion, even the most complex full-service food operations will experience a violation. Sometimes it's difficult to avoid. The 2 types of violations are priority observations and critical observations. Priority observations involve improper cooking, reheating, cooling, or hand washing. These violations are known to cause foodborne illnesses. However, critical violations are those which are more than likely to directly contribute to food contamination, illness, or environmental degradation. Both priority and critical violations require reinspection for corrected mistakes. If the establishment has no priority or critical violation, it means that other violations were noted but do not require reinspection. Just advice to fix this or that. If the restaurant has no items found, it means what it says. There are no violations that were noted. In our area, the most violations, this is not an award anybody really wants, goes to Captain D's Seafood, racking up 49 violations. They're at 2626 Princess Anne Street in Fredericksburg. On the other side of the coin, the winner of the least violations, and a hearty thank you, goes to Charlie's Crab House at 633 White Road in Fredericksburg. They had no violations. Congratulations to Charlie's Crab House. You may access the full report and search for your favorite drive-in, diner, or dig on the Health Department's website at the link provided below. Well, changing our subject a little bit, unless you know someone named Sierra Leone and have saved their phone number in your contact list, do not answer a phone call from 222 or 232 area codes. They originate from the West African nations of Mauritania and Sierra Leone, even if the caller ID notes they are from the United States. It's not a call from a person. It's a robocall scam. Your phone rings a couple of times, they hang up and call you back again and hang up again. If you call back, the scammer will rack up per minute tolls you incur by calling that particular number. The Federal Communications Commission says scam robocalls are targeted specifically towards distinct area codes in bursts, often calling multiple times in the middle of the night. The FCC released the following tips. Do not call back numbers you do not recognize, especially those appearing to originate from overseas. File a complaint with the FCC if you receive the calls. If you never make international calls, consider talking to your phone company about blocking outbound international calls to prevent accidental toll calls. Most of all, check your phone bill for charges you don't recognize. AT&T has taken steps to detect and block these calls to and from their network, but they also advise their customers to download the free mobile app AT&T Call Protect, which will automatically block spam calls and will alert you when you receive a spam call. The rule of thumb is if you don't recognize the number, don't answer it. Well, as we earlier reported, a $132 million project will add a new river crossing across the Rapids lanes for I-95 southbound stretching 6 miles in the current median of I-95. The work is already underway. The new lanes will begin in the vicinity of the Truslow Road area in Stafford County, just north of exit 133 at Route 17. The new lanes will end about a mile south of exit 130 at Route 3 near Fredericksburg in Spotsylvania County. This goes through our entire listening area. The plans reduce I-95 congestion in the Fredericksburg area by providing local traffic with additional lanes to travel between the Route 17 and Route 3 interchange without merging into the interstate's general purpose lanes. This will be a big improvement. The 3 existing I-95 southbound lanes will be converted to carry those traveling to the Route 17 and Route 3 interchanges, as well as the safety rest area and Virginia Welcome Center. The project began last August and should be complete, it's a few years out now, in May 2022. All of that to say, hurry up and wait. Traffic on that's so true for those of us who take that road. Traffic on Route 17 in Stafford County came to a halt. The Virginia Department of Transportation scheduled a full traffic stop on Route 17 northbound at the Interstate 95 133 exit at Falmouth Interchange in Stafford County for Wednesday, May 8th. All traffic on Route 17 northbound was stopped overnight for up to 30 minutes between midnight and 3 a.m. All lanes on Route 17 southbound and all on I-95 on and off ramps remained open. Crews moved to Crane in the median as a part of the I-95 southbound Rappahannock River Crossing project. Some of you might have actually seen it. And replacement of 2 I-95 bridges over Route 17. There was advance notice of the delays on lighted roadside VDOT message boards in the area, as well as Virginia State Police presence that helped with traffic control. Well, we'll be right back after this.